Kejing kulmar kejing snam hakjela Manipur kelapin sertok berpin shepting kinong snong jong katu kejela bat bun apteng jongki kibala light pad bat kibala 1 point mentah kanong ba shilong kilaya thu kejing mat bat kejing thang gamen sim nakada kejing du no ikbai bethon ya yeng kesem bat kijaka kiputa nakbenta ulekhone hokib ul hokib upastor sejang bat uting them vaipe bat kiwe kejing im jongki kalakala bak lebang bakala long kabom itikna lakin yo ne mani phai biang shlayeng kitu kibla laj im na jing sha thombor kabla sedang nadu kalai trik jimmang kibla yo lat ban phetri no bal ban wan sa shngan hayeng ki bahayeng asem jongki hanong ba shilong kilai thu maka jing e shun hakati ki jaka kalangam ba Haduh kala pelong ki ban perkhat arsin lakin dang kam biang ne mi kan nong ba imphal ban manipur kum ka yeng jongki ulek khone haukep ubadang shusong thai dang shen hosnem ajar phuwei nakakam gujong u kabu utre hak nationalized bank ulong bahadian bula song thanyo nakakam uladon kijing thmu ban song wan sa serta nong ba imphal henry menta udap da kijing ngor tin.
I was working in the bank for more than 36 years. I was studying here in Shillong way back in 1980. Then I completed my degree from 7 months in 1982. After working, I came back here. I worked here in Shillong, did another for almost 10 years. I retired in 2021, went back home to settle there.
Habai thu smang jingja ha imphal ulai thu ba yeng jong u bal artli ki kali la sha thang hakiriu baman ringkat kijing don jing embaro kat bagi kot don kam ki bom shim la sha thang ki la sha luti lut na phang.
When we really feel that there are own people why so much deep-rooted hatred has been this thing meted out to this community. This really, now I have no answer till today. I still love them as a human being, as a neighbors. Despite all these things, so much crimes they have committed, inhuman, so much violence of human beings. You kill some people, enough, leave it, but you throw in the fire. We are not able to identify whose bodies are.
Ulong bahadian ke ula dabja unom lej phai su shlayeng ha imphal bu ula benrap ru bekim jupai perkhat bikin sapoi kat hadu uni uput banja kumba kerja menta.
We never feared that we would be in such a position. Now, when your neighbors, your own people for Manipur are so much hating you, which is beyond expectation, which we can't believe it. We never thought that they'll be taking such a position.
Uhake bula ong ru bula laj im ban mi no ne imphal henry kabai tiket ban lej kiwe gijela kalong ka beremdor.
We have that time when the situation was worse, whatever ticket is available, we have to book it. Some people are booking ticket for 30,000, which in normal times it was costing only 2,000. They have to, because they have to survive. So much of economic suffering and rooting out of our economy has been done.
So we pat ubam ka ban penpau kurteng ulong bahadin bikila phet na jing kulmar kalawai jongki kalong ka bom dan jing tikanasu.
After all, these things broke out, I think, because even like the security did not do anything to help us, it means that they don't want us, I think. So there's no option, there's no as of now, I think, and even for the future, I think there's no going back.
Ula keno baka sarkar ke yasha siliang bulong ru ba tharai ba mau bat kiwei de kidang la ban lek trei biang hakikam sarkar. Uel haukip unong song snong ka haukip veng ha imphal ula penpau ya kaju kajing Shem.
It is not that out of our willingness that we come out. We were literally forced to leave the place. We are compelled to leave the place and come out. So, if the question of going back there, not going back there, I think doesn't arise. We cannot really, we cannot really take the decision. It's a real nightmare for everyone who has experienced this bitter experience. So, I just personally, wish and I just pray to God that somehow, the situation will come back to normal. I don't know how it will come, but I just leave it to God.
Upastor Sejang badi na kasnong National Games Village Impal uloong ban namar budi nong yalap upar khat ba onom don kibali don bor. Uni upastor basa berkekiau jong u kebala khandai pun rius nam karta uloong mahaba kipat buhur kiawan sung shangan ya kekiau jong u bandan lang badu.
We ran outside and entered one of the quarters nearby. That is government quarter, thinking that nobody will attack the government quarter. And from the windows and all these things from the government quarter, when we look, we can see so many police personnel. No, since many police personnel were outside, we thought nothing will happen, but all these things happen.
Kami pakalong kami kalau light pet ringkat kisangut kikun kebentuk ya way wadan hakamet kebangkat bangkia berukurim jangka kalau orang makalahap ban one pet no seselong simit.
बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी ऐसे भी अभी और उसका 3 भाई बहन है अब सबका स्कूल भी सब ख़त्म हो गया पता नहीं अब हमारा क्या होगा जान बचा के ना घर से भाग के आए थे हम लोग यहाँ शिलोंग पर
Kekun jangka ke bakhalas nam karta ke basang kelas ke bahnyau kalau orang makadan sibun ki perlok ki badi ki meite ki badai ki bajamnut bagi basutanat bakal orang ru bakasanut bahaya ki hak juga por kelapan paru ke jingkerman bagi ki baro kin long biang kuma julong kenang makan la bani pai biang shalayen.
The first time I heard my village were burned by the Meitei mobs, I was heartbroken, and all the memories of when we were kids, they all flash back.